This is the first year that World Scholars students were able to complete internships with the City of Edinburgh. We had students in business management, AV production, and law enforcement practicums go to the city hall, go to municipal court, go to police department, library, and take part in completing daily operations, work with customers, work alongside city officials in these different departments. This internship has provided our students with practical, hands-on, and real-world experience, which will help them in the long run. One of our main goals is for our students to be career ready, and this internship certainly has helped with that.
My favorite part about the internship was being able to just take my skill set to the next level, to learn about what it looks like to partner with our future customers and do our own projects while putting our own spin on it. So it was a really cool experience to just create videos for the city and do a little puppet tour of the library. So that was definitely something I look forward to. I actually just recently started an internship with my church for creative and production. So it's already helped me in learning how to edit videos, photos, and work with the community, especially in the future with college. I want to learn more about how to expand my creative skill set to use both in ministry, in the community, and in wildlife photography.
The thing with the internship, my department was human resources. So I got to learn a lot about documents, filing, people, like their employment, their insurance. I was able to actually be behind the scenes and help those people, and sometimes I would actually listen into interviews, so it was all a great experience doing all that.
At the end of their internship, the students were presented with a certificate of completion. They had a nice ceremony for our students. They were presented with gift baskets. It was a very nice ceremony where the mayor spoke, we had city officials, and the different managers that the students worked with. We hope to continue our partnership with City of Edinburgh, which has provided such a great opportunity for our students. So in the future, more students can have the opportunity to intern.